A Louisville man accused of murdering 3 people is asking a judge to dismiss the charges.
WDRB's Katrina Helmer was there in the courtroom today as Brice Rhodes accused detectives of lying. Katrina.
Brice Rhodes filed his own motion today. It revolves around evidence that he says does not exist and that he says detectives lied about.
I understand, Mr. Rhodes, you would like us to talk about your motion for a direct dismissal of the case.
Brice Rhodes is accused of killing Christopher Jones and teen brothers Larry Ordway and Maurice Gordon in May of 2016. At the pretrial hearing Friday, Judge Charles Cunningham asked Rhodes to read his motion for a direct dismissal out loud for everyone.
My point is that 2 detectives committed perjury. They both lied under oath.
Rhodes says detectives stated they had evidence of blood in his car and a back seat of a car, but then earlier this month, detectives did not produce that evidence.
There were burned items in the dumpster that Detective Peters thought might be part of a back seat.
The Commonwealth argued the detective was not under oath, that he simply misspoke trying to remember evidence from years ago.
That is not the central evidence that we would be presenting in this case.
Can't run from the truth. Perjury is perjury.
Rhodes is suggesting detectives lied about having evidence in order to pin charges on him.
So I ask you to dismiss these charges. Thank you. And I say today, I believe I'm the victim of racism, malicious prosecution, and corruption.
This is turning into something more than it is.
The judge asked for the Commonwealth to provide a written response before he decides what to do. That next pretrial conference will be on Halloween.
Rhodes' trial was set for April next year, but during today's hearing, the judge also said that it could be rescheduled because Rhodes is having issues with his attorneys again. There is a potential new attorneys could be appointed. Katrina Helmer, WDRB News.